So hey, what's up guys, and in this video I'm gonna show you the how you can install or how you can get the Android P looks on your Android device, which is very easy to get. And in order to get, I'm gonna show you in this video a simple method and very easy, and not the fastest, but yeah, it would be easy for you to install the Android P looks on your Android Oreo. Now in order to do this, you should be rooted and you should be having the xposed installed on your device. So for this, I'm giving a link in the description for this, and also giving the steps to install both the things. And after that, installing both the things, you need this module, which is called the pify module. This is not the P5, it is the pify module, and thanks to developer for this. And after installing both after rooting a device and installing the xposed, you need this module. And enable this module by just going into the xposed installer application. Enable it, it will ask for the reboot permission. After rebooting it, it will automatically give you the whole features and everything, so no need to do anything. But yeah, if you want to customize it on your own, then you can do this by just opening the module, and you can just fix and whatsoever you want to do with the module. That's a pretty simple thing and very simple way to get the Android P features or Android P looks on your Android device. So what you get after installing the xposed or pify module, you get this type of recents, and the pixel launch is not given, so you have to install it or you have to sideload it on your Android device. Now first of all, if you have any older pixel launcher, just uninstall it and install the latest one, so that you won't be getting any problem. Get this type of Android P status bar, which is very nice, or you can notification panel and Android P settings menu. So very nice and working very fine, no crashes whatsoever. But yeah, as it is xposed, so you cannot use your phone as a daily, but yeah, it is a pretty good thing, and it is pretty nice things to show off in front of your friends. So thanks for watching. This is Manik signing off, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want any installation video, you can just comment down below for this, so I will be making a video on it. So thanks for watching. This is Manik signing off, and I hope you enjoyed this video. For any queries, just comment down below.